Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward test of your ability to understand what the activation energy of a reaction is. So from general chemistry, we often talked about reactions in terms of endothermic and exothermic. When we thought about the enthalpy or the free energy change, we talked about a reaction coordinate. And a lot of times we didn't include anything other than the position of the products and reactants. But the truth is that products and reactants are particles that move around on a potential energy surface, and they constantly are changing shape to get from products to reactants. And there's a continuous change in energy. It's not discrete. And so the activation energy is the energy that it takes to get from the products, or excuse me, from the reactants to the highest point in that graph. So both of these represent activation energies. And so what this thing is actually asking you to do is to come along this graph and identify the activation energy. But unlike the graphs at the bottom, which are qualitative in nature, this graph is actually quantitative in nature. So the activation energy equals energy final minus energy initial. And so the activation energy equals 30 kilojoules per mole minus 20 kilojoules per mole. And so the actual value of the activation energy is 10 kilojoules per mole. Okay.